Why do some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others struggle for decades? Well, the secret lies in the habits they cultivate. Today, we're going to delve into 10 powerful money habits that millionaires use daily to build lasting wealth. These aren't complex financial strategies, but simple everyday habits that you can start implementing right now. So buckle up and prepare to master your financial future. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get into it. The first money habit is to pay yourself first. Now, what does that mean? Well, it's simple. Before you pay your bills, before you buy groceries, before you do anything else, ensure you set aside a portion of your income to save. In essence, you're paying yourself first. This habit is the cornerstone of personal finance and an effective way to ensure you continue to save money before you have a chance to spend it. It's a simple yet powerful concept that promotes financial discipline and builds wealth over time. One way to do this is by automating your savings. Most banks allow automatic transfers between your checking and savings accounts. You can choose when, how much, and where to transfer money, or even split your direct deposit, so a portion of every paycheck goes directly into your savings account. It's not about the amount you save, it's about the habit of paying yourself first. Whether it's $10 or $1,000, the important thing is to consistently save and let your money work for you. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account right after payday. The second habit is to live below your means. Now, this doesn't mean you have to give up all of life's little luxuries. It's about being financially disciplined. It's about making choices today that will create a more secure tomorrow. It's about prioritizing needs over wants and understanding that instant gratification often leads to long-term financial stress. To live below your means, you need to create a realistic budget and stick to it. This involves cutting back on unnecessary expenses, finding cheaper alternatives, and saving more than you spend. It's about mindful spending, understanding the value of money, and making every dollar count. Remember, wealth isn't always about driving the fanciest car or living in the biggest house. It's about financial freedom, security, and peace of mind. And often that comes from living a modest lifestyle, free of financial stress and anxiety. Remember, wealth is what you don't see. Track every dollar that you earn and spend. You see, maintaining financial awareness is a pivotal step towards achieving your wealth goals. It's like a fitness tracker for your money, keeping you aware and accountable. When you know where your money is going, you can make informed decisions, avoid unnecessary expenses, and redirect that cash towards your savings or investments. Imagine you're a ship's captain. Without a compass, you're just floating aimlessly, but with a compass, you're able to steer your ship towards your destination. Similarly, tracking your money acts as that compass, guiding you towards financial freedom. It doesn't have to be a tedious task either. There are plenty of digital tools available that make it simple and stress-free. For instance, you can use Notion, You Need a Budget, YNAB, or Mint. These platforms automate the tracking process, allowing you to focus on making smart money moves. Use tools like Notion, YNAB, or Mint. Start building multiple income streams. Now, that may sound like a daunting task, but it's a game changer in the journey to financial independence. Relying on a single paycheck can be a risky gamble, but diversifying your income sources can provide a safety net and expedite your wealth-building process. Think of it this way: having multiple income streams is like having multiple roads leading to your financial destination. If one road is blocked, you have other routes to keep you moving forward. So, where do we start? Consider your passions and skills. Can you turn them into a lucrative side hustle? Perhaps you're good at graphic design or dog walking or even baking. Don't underestimate the value of these skills. There are countless platforms online that can help you turn your hobby into a profitable venture. Next, think about passive income. This is money you earn with minimal ongoing effort. It could be from real estate investments, dividends from stocks, royalties from a book you've written, or even revenue from a blog. Remember, the goal here is not to work harder, but to work smarter. Building multiple income streams is a powerful strategy to fortify your financial future. Don't rely on one paycheck. Invest early and consistently. The magic of wealth creation lies in the power of compound interest. Picture this: you're planting a tiny seed today. With time, this seed sprouts, grows, and bears fruit. But the magic doesn't stop there. The fruit itself contains seeds, which fall to the ground, sprout, and grow more trees bearing even more fruit. That's compound interest. Your money grows, and the growth itself generates more growth. Now you might be wondering, when's the best time to plant this money tree? The answer is as early as possible. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow and compound. And the key is consistency. Regular, disciplined investments, no matter how small, can amass a significant wealth over time. When it comes to investing, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Time in the market beats timing the market. Avoid bad debt. Now this might seem like an obvious tip, but it's easier said than done, isn't it? Let's break it down. Debt is not all created equal. There's good debt and there's bad debt. Good debt is an investment that will generate long-term income or increase in value. Think mortgage on a house or student loans for education. These are generally lower interest and can even come with tax benefits. On the other hand, bad debt is typically high interest and doesn't increase your wealth or value. Credit card debt, payday loans, or debt accrued from buying things you don't need would fall into this category. These types of debt can become a vicious cycle that's hard to break free from. So, what's the takeaway? Be mindful of the debt you're taking on. And if you're stuck in bad debt, focus on paying it off as quickly as possible. The freedom from high-interest debt can be the launch pad for your wealth-building journey. Pay off high-interest debt ASAP. Set clear financial goals. This is a crucial step to mastering your financial future. Just as a ship needs a compass to navigate, you need to establish financial goals to guide your money decisions. But not just any goals. They should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying, I want to save money, make it specific and measurable, like, I want to save $10,000. Make it achievable and relevant to your life. If you're earning $3,000 a month, saving $10,000 in a month might not be feasible, but saving that amount over a year could be. Lastly, set a time frame. I want to save $10,000 in the next 12 months. Having clear financial goals can help you stay focused and resist the temptation to make impulsive purchases. Remember, write your goals down and revisit them monthly. This will keep you motivated and on track. Keep learning continuously. It's a mantra that echoes across the financial world, a golden rule that those who amass wealth live by. You see, financial literacy is not an endpoint, but an ongoing journey. It's about keeping yourself updated, staying ahead of the curve, and understanding the evolving dynamics of money. So how can you do that? Start by diving into books. From classics like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, to modern gems like The Millionaire Next Door, there's a wealth of knowledge waiting to be explored. Then follow finance YouTubers, bloggers, and podcasters. They can provide timely insights and make complex concepts digestible. And don't forget about online courses. Websites like Coursera or Udemy offer a plethora of classes on everything from basic budgeting to advanced investments. Remember, knowledge is power. In this case, it's the power to understand, manage, and grow your wealth. Wealthy people never stop learning. Always have an emergency fund. Let's delve into why this is crucial. Life can be unpredictable. From sudden medical expenses to unexpected car repairs and even job loss, these unforeseen events can derail your financial stability. That's where an emergency fund comes in. It serves as a financial safety net, providing you with peace of mind knowing you're covered during life's unexpected twists and turns. How do you build this fund? Start by setting aside a small portion of your income regularly, no matter how small. Over time, these small amounts add up and can save you from financial distress. But how much should you aim for in your emergency fund? Well, a good rule of thumb is to accumulate enough to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This should give you ample cushion should you encounter a financial storm. Remember, 3 to 6 months of expenses is the golden rule. Surround yourself with the right people. This is perhaps one of the most important pieces of advice that anyone can give you when it comes to mastering your financial future. You see, we are the sum of the 5 people we spend the most time with. So if you're surrounded by individuals who have poor money habits, guess what? It's likely that you'll adopt those habits as well. On the other hand, if you're spending time with people who are financially savvy, who understand the importance of saving, investing, and building multiple income streams, you'll likely pick up those habits too. These people can become your mentors, your support system. They can share their wisdom, their experiences, their lessons learned. They can provide you with a different perspective, open your eyes to new opportunities, challenge your thinking, help you grow. And it's not just about individuals. Joining relevant groups and forums, attending finance-related seminars and webinars, participating in financial literacy programs, all these can also contribute to your financial growth. Your environment plays a significant role in shaping your habits, your mindset, your decisions, and ultimately, your financial future. So choose wisely. Your network is your net worth. Thanks for watching. We hope you found our insights on the 10 powerful money habits used by millionaires to build lasting wealth, both informative and inspiring. Remember, these habits aren't exclusive to the ultra-rich. They're accessible to anyone, regardless of your current financial situation. It's all about taking that first step. Incorporating these habits into your life might seem challenging at first, but trust us, the long-term rewards are worth it. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building sustainable wealth that lasts a lifetime. And it all starts with developing the right habits. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these habits. Which one resonated with you the most? Which one are you planning to start today? Don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Your insights might just inspire someone else on their journey to financial freedom. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Your support helps us create more content just like this. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a future video.